Hello friends and welcome to Define Agile YouTube channel where we talk everything Agile tools, everything that can make your process better. My name is Anatoly and as always I help you guys answering your questions. And after my last video about converting subtasks into a story, many people ask Anatoly, but can we convert tasks into subtasks? Great question. And I'll show you how to convert one or multiple subtasks into a story. So let's do it. I have two subtasks. One is 55 and one is 51. And I do have a nice story that is deal with microphone, 56. So I want a 55 and 51 to be a subtasks of 56. How do I do that? So first thing first, you need to select all the tasks you want to convert into subtasks. So you can do it by one is selected, and if you want to select the other one, you need to hold either Command on Mac or it might be Alt key, I think on PC, but just try it out. And essentially you want to select it so both are selected like this. After this, you click on a red key and then you click on bulk change. Now here we are, and here you can edit them, move them, transition them, delete them, watch them, do a bunch of things, but we want to move them. Click next. Now it says, okay, the project is the same, but what type do you want to move it to? And I select here a subtask. For every subtask you have a parent, so you need to create a parent ahead of time, as I did. And then I search for microphone because they relate to microphone, and my issue is deal with microphone. So 56. That's it. Click on next. Yeah, some update fields, sure. So you want to move to this project, subtask, and the parent is 56, right? Right. Confirm. Click acknowledge. Boom. Here we are, back to a backlog, so there's no tasks here. If we click on deal with microphone, here we go. We have two subtasks created from tasks, and now they are part of the parent deal with microphone. Hope that helps. I know there was a question you guys were asking, so if you have any more questions about it, put them in the comments down below. If you think this brought you value, please like and subscribe. It helps me to spread the word. I really appreciate that. If you need help with Jira, you can hire me and my team, so go to defineagile.com, schedule a consultation, and let's see how I can help your business. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.